Like it or not, a password can be one of the most important tools in our arsenal in the fight against cybercrime. A simple, breached, or reused password can put your information and your organization's information at risk. Luckily, your password strength is something you are in control of. So with the right strategy and defenses, you can turn that vulnerability into a shield. Let's begin with some of the password basics. You may have seen charts like this one that estimate how long it takes to crack a password. The pattern is clear. Short passwords like 6 or 8 characters can often be cracked in only a few seconds or minutes. Increase that overall character count, and the overall cracking time rises dramatically. Modern guidance from NIST emphasizes length over outdated complexity tricks. Simply changing a capital letter or symbol in a short password does not provide nearly as much protection as making the password longer. So instead of something like this, consider using a passphrase, such as river coffee moonlight! It's longer, easier to remember, and significantly harder to guess because length dramatically increases resistance to automated attacks. Next, let's talk about reusing passwords. With the amount of account passwords we need to create and remember, it's common to have a go-to password that we reuse for each account. However, this is a major security concern and should be avoided even if that reused password is considered strong or uncrackable. Even strong passwords can end up exposed on the dark web after data breaches, or your password may have been stolen through phishing or credential harvesting attacks. And if a cyber criminal knows one password, it's an immediate concern for the exposed account, but also for any other accounts that use the same one. Attackers assume most of us reuse the same password, so they automatically test that password with all of these common services. So if you've reused the same password they know, attackers can get in. All this is why creating both strong and unique passwords across all your accounts is imperative. If this feels overwhelming, that's completely understandable. Managing dozens of unique passwords can seem daunting. That is why it's important to work with your IT provider to implement tools and practices that make strong, unique passwords manageable. In the coming trainings, we'll review some of these options, including MFA, password managers, and the future of password management. Stay tuned.